Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most unexpected and exciting revivals in the auto world, the 2025 Citroën 2CV. That's right, the legendary French icon is back, but this time, it's been reimagined for the modern era. And trust me, it's not just a nostalgia play. This new 2CV brings a blend of classic charm and contemporary tech in a way that few retro models manage to get right. We've spent a few days with this car, driven it in both the city and countryside, and today, I'm giving you the full deep dive review. Let's start with the moment you see the car. The 2025 2CV takes a bold leap in combining its unmistakable DNA with Citroën's new design language. The front immediately gives you that classic duck-like face, only now it's been refined. The headlamps are oval-shaped, an obvious homage to the original but now integrated with modern LED tech and daytime running lights. The grille remains minimal, almost symbolic, with the classic Citroën chevrons sitting elegantly in the center. There's a softness to the lines that gives the car an approachable feel. Not aggressive, not overly futuristic, but simple and stylish. From the side, it gets even more interesting. The silhouette stays true to the spirit of the original 2CV, with its sloping rear and gently arched roofline. However, this time it's done with a much more aerodynamic profile. The roof is fabric. Yes, Citroën brought back the rollback canvas top. And it's not just for looks, it's fully operational, giving you a near-convertible experience with just a flick of a button. The wheels are small, like the classic, but now feature geometric alloy designs that look charmingly retro-futuristic. Citroën even kept a slight bulge over the rear wheel wells, a small design nod that fans of the original will instantly recognize. Moving to the rear, the back of the 2025 2CV is minimal and elegant. Thin LED taillights are vertically aligned on either side, and there's no attempt to overstyle things. It's clean, it's simple, and the split rear tailgate, yes, they brought that back too, adds a touch of practicality. The lower portion drops down, picnic style, and the upper half swings up. Perfect for weekend trips to the countryside or a spontaneous sunset dinner out the back. Now let's open the door and step inside. The interior of the new 2CV is where Citroën has arguably taken the biggest risk, and it pays off. Simplicity is the theme here. You're not going to find a sea of screens or over-designed dash panels. Instead, the cabin is purposefully stripped down. There's a single centrally mounted digital cluster that displays all your vital info, and a tablet-style touchscreen floats above the center. Detachable, by the way, letting you use it inside the car or take it out when you park. That's very French and very cool. The materials are sustainable. Lots of recycled fabrics, cork accents, and soft-touch plastics. The seats are hammock-style, inspired by the original sling seats, but now they're contoured for comfort and surprisingly supportive. Space-wise, it's very generous for a compact car. 4 adults can ride comfortably, and there's decent room in the rear thanks to clever packaging. Storage is minimalist but functional, with creative use of elastic bands, mesh, and hooks, rather than bulky compartments. Now to the part that really surprised us, performance. Of course, you're not buying a 2CV to win drag races, but Citroën's choice to go all-electric with this model changes the game. It comes with a modest 50 kWh battery pack, giving you about 250 to 300 kilometers of real-world range, depending on how you drive. Power output is around 110 horsepower, which doesn't sound like much on paper, but the instant torque makes it zippy around town. It's light, it's nimble, and it brings a smile to your face in a way that's hard to quantify. The ride quality is where things get very Citroën. It's tuned for comfort, soft suspension, great damping, and a kind of floating sensation on the road that's reminiscent of the high-drop pneumatic setups of older Citroëns. On twisty roads, it holds its own. Don't expect sports car precision, but you'll definitely enjoy the experience. Braking is solid, regenerative settings are adjustable, and the steering is light but precise enough for city maneuvering. In terms of price, the 2025 2CV is competitively positioned. It starts around $23,000 in Europe, which undercuts many other small EVs, and for that, you're getting a unique design, excellent build quality, and the undeniable charm of a brand with history. Higher trims add options like adaptive cruise control, heated seats, and an upgraded infotainment system, but the base model already feels complete. It's priced for accessibility, just like the original was intended to be back in 1948. Now, would I recommend the new 2CV? Well, if you're someone who values individuality, sustainability, and comfort over aggressive speed or flash, then absolutely yes. It's not trying to be a Tesla or a mini EV or a retro gimmick. It's doing its own thing in the most delightfully French way possible. There's a sense of joy baked into every detail of this car, from the way it looks, to how it drives, to how people smile when they see it. It's honest. And in today's market, that's rare. So, to wrap it up, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is a tribute done right. It's not perfect, but it's pure in its intent. It respects its past without being shackled by it. It's affordable, clever, and full of character. A perfect urban EV for people who want something different, something fun, something with soul. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments what you think of the 2025 2CV. Would you drive one, or are you still loyal to the old classic? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.